Want your home to look stylish and expensive without draining your wallet? Here are 10 simple decor hacks you can try today to upgrade your space on a budget. Welcome to Everyday Luxe on Less, where I share smart lifestyle and home hacks to help you live well for less. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like these. 1. Use plants to add life. Plants instantly make any space feel alive and expensive. If real plants are too much work, try affordable faux plants or succulents. 2. Swap out old cushion covers. Instead of buying new furniture, update your cushions. Fresh covers in neutral tones or bold prints can completely change your living room vibe. 3. Add warm lighting. Switch harsh white bulbs for warm-toned ones. Soft, warm lighting makes any room look cozy and high-end. 4. DIY wall art. Print affordable artwork or make your own with canvas and paint. DIY art adds personality without the price tag. 5. Rearrange furniture. Sometimes all you need is a fresh layout. Move furniture to open up your space. It's free and instantly refreshing. 6. Use rugs to define spaces. Rugs make your home feel more structured and cozy. Look for budget-friendly rugs online or at local markets. 7. Upgrade with mirrors. Mirrors reflect light and make small rooms look bigger. Find affordable options at thrift stores or home markets. 8. Declutter and organize. Less clutter means a more expensive look. Use storage baskets or shelves to keep things neat and stylish. 9. Add a statement piece. One bold piece, a vase, lamp, or art, can elevate your entire space. You only need one, so invest wisely. 10. Scent matters. A great-smelling home feels luxurious. Try affordable candles, incense, or essential oils. And there you go. 10 budget-friendly home decor hacks that look expensive. Which one will you try first? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to inspire someone today.